In this video, I will show you how to turn on automatic app updates on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Next, tap on App Store. Under Automatic Download section, you will find an option App Updates along with toggle button. Simply toggle the switch next to App Updates to on position. This will automatically update your apps whenever a new app version becomes available, usually via Wi-Fi. If you want to allow automatic updates over your cellular data network when Wi-Fi is unavailable, just toggle the switch next to Automatic Downloads under the Mobile Data section to the on position. So that is how you can turn on automatic app updates on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.